Hi friends, my name is Cathy Cesario, and most of you know me from my connection to All That Matters Yoga and Wellness. And I, in this month of love, have been inspired out of love for ATM to come up with this campaign to support All That Matters as they become a nonprofit. It's called the ATM Step Up for Love Challenge. And I really want your help to make this happen and make it a success. So stay on board, if you will, indulge me, and all the information that you need to really participate will be below in the comments and also at allthatmatterswellness.org. So how did this all come to be? Well, in the past 20 years, I've had the extraordinary experience of sharing time and space with so many students, workshops, yoga teacher trainings, just daily life in the ins and outs of meeting all of you. Some of my best friends have come from this community, and I've heard some extraordinary stories of healing and of support from each and every one of you. ATM, thanks to its founders, Joan and Jeannie, has become an anchor of heartfelt connection. And if it weren't for the tireless efforts and dedication of 4 women, Tara and Michelle, Jody and Lori, ATM actually would have closed this year. 27 years of community would have ended this year, but for them. I am so grateful to them for their willingness to step up out of love for this community. And I saw that same gratitude from you all when you came back to classes. And it's from this place of gratitude that I was inspired to do this challenge. So what do you need to do to participate? Well, it's really simple. The first thing is share your story online. Tag your friends. The second is donate. It's easy to do. Go to allthatmatterswellness.org, hit the give button, and there's also a bunch of information on other ways that you can give. And the third is get your yoga buddies and challenge them too. Step up for love and challenge them to do the same. So won't you join me in this month of love, and for as long as we can keep it going? It's our community now. And all that matters, matters. You matter, community matters, love matters. So come on board. We can do this. Namaste.